Hey, welcome to this training. We're going to show you here how to actually create a new contest and edit, duplicate, or delete contests that you already have. So in this first section here, we have contests. I've just clicked the contest screen. I've created a bunch of contests in testing and playing around with our plugin. And here we have an iPad giveaway, some test contests, Kindle giveaway, MacBook giveaway. As you can see, you can create all kinds of different contests that you desire. What I'm going to show you how to do is basically create a new contest. But let's say you have contests already. You can either edit the contest, you can do a quick edit, which is just kind of the basic WordPress features there. You can trash the contest if you want to delete them, or you can even view or duplicate a contest. The duplicate feature is something we added, which is really cool. Basically, let's say you have a contest you've already mastered, you've created, it went really well, and you like the way the style is, the template is, everything looks nice. All you have to do is click duplicate, and you can actually create a brand new duplicate copy of that contest. So while it loads here, you can see the contest will automatically duplicate everything, and then it will allow you to edit changes for that. So let's get right into creating a new contest. So I'm going to click add a new contest here and start from scratch. Okay, so what we have here is the add a new contest screen. And the first thing I want to do is name my contest. In this example, I'm going to call it iPad giveaway. Okay, now the contest template section here, what this is you can actually select a template for when the contest is open. When the contest is open, it will display for users to be able to enter their name, their email, the information that you want to collect so you can gather leads. So I'm going to just select template 1 for an example that we have already included up to 18 templates. Maybe by the time you watch this video we might have some more, but we'll see. Another one is when a winner is announced, you can actually create custom templates for that and also for when a contest is closed. And we'll go into that more in the template builder section. But if you really want to, you can go ahead and go to Template Builder and see the templates for this. For now, let's get back into creating the actual contest itself. So I'm going to set my contest to open, which is going to allow participants to actually enter. Next, I want to enter a featured image. So by clicking this box, I'd be able to go ahead and select a featured image from WordPress or my computer. Let me see what I have here in the media library. Okay, so I'm going to select a picture of an iPad that I already have uploaded here, and I'm going to select Insert into Post. And that's going to upload the featured image there and show me a preview of what it looks like. This will actually display in the template on the front end of the contest. Next, I want to enter a contest headline. So just an example, I'm going to put iPad giveaway. There we go. I already wrote it beforehand to save us some time. Okay, so that will actually display above the contest in the template where users will see the headline. You want to make sure it's really catchy and that people actually want to enter after seeing it. Next is contest subheadline. This is going to be a message. Usually I would recommend that you make this message very enticing for them to enter the contest. What I would do is have a call to action, so something like enter this contest now to win free iPad 3. Enter your info below. So I just put in a simple call to action, enter your info below, so that way they actually put their name, email, or whatever other information you're collecting. Next is to schedule the contest. So this is basically how long do you want your contest to run, when do you want it to start. I'm going to select this date here, and then you can even select a time, a specific time if you want your contest to run. So 8 a.m. to, let's say 8:30 a.m. Sorry, 8:30 a.m. to say I want my contest to run only for a week, about till Saturday. Again, it ends at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Alright, so that's it. That's all there is to it. The contest will be scheduled for that time. We also have a handy feature of a countdown timer. You can activate this, and what this does, it just adds a countdown clock below your contest, so that way users will actually see that the contest is going to end very quickly. And really all it is a tactic that we discovered where basically it creates urgency, a sense of urgency to actually enter the contest, because it will end and the time is running out. So it's just a little mind trick, but it actually helps boost up your conversions a little bit better. The next thing here is contest status messages. What these are basically, we will show these in the templates for you. So based on the status of the contest. So let's say the contest is open. It's open, whatever. It will show a certain template with the contest running. Users can enter. But once the contest is ended, we will show this message. So you can actually customize this if you want to. So we'll have thank you to all the people who have participated. We will shortly show who is the winner of this fantastic contest. Stay tuned. So the contest ended. This message will show. When you have the template set to winner, show winner up here, this message will show. And you can have this little tag here, which will show the person's email, just the not their full email, the winner, just the first part of the email, their username basically. So you can show the winner. So won this contest, and you can customize this, or if you want to completely get rid of this, you can put Johnny won this contest, or thanks Johnny for winning this contest. You can customize it to whatever you want, and that you will make sure you have to click show winner to do that. Okay, the next thing is when the contest has closed, you can also show this message. This contest has ended. Check out our homepage to see our other upcoming contests. So of course, you can customize this, do whatever you want there. Alright, so contest rules. If you didn't set contest rules in the default options and you want to have specific contest rules just for this contest, you can enter those here and that will update and display. I've already entered in the default settings page, so I won't be entering anything in there. You can also enter terms and conditions for this specific contest if you'd like, and also a disclaimer. Very simple, pretty straightforward there. The next box here is participant notification. So what this is it will enable you to send an email to the people who enter the contest. So by default, we require an email for every contest. This way we can track everything, track referrals, and see where everything is coming from by email. So automatically you can enable an email notification where a user will fill in the contest and then we'll get an email back from you. This is the subject that they can enter, and this is the body. We already have something in here for you which you can just use, or you can customize it any way you want. So the one we have in here is good luck winning, and it will display the name of the contest headline. It's important we are able to notify if you win, so please mark this email as not spam. And you can obviously customize this and enter some tags in here. If you want to know which tags you can use, check out our documentation section. We have these tags for you that you can put into the email. And if you don't want to have this email go out at all, let's say you use an autoresponder like Aweber or something like that, and you really don't want to send this out, you can just disable it by doing that. I'm going to leave it checked for this example. Okay, so next is a survey question. The survey question is a feature that we added to basically allow you to collect survey data. Let's say you want to collect some information, test your market a little bit and see if they'd be interested in a new product that you're going to release, a new launch, anything that you want to gather some data for. You can do that here. All you have to do is activate survey question, put in the question here. So you can put in something like what is your favorite book genre, and you can put in something like horror, suspense, or also, let's see what we got here, comedy. So there you go. You can put in horror, suspense, comedy, and that will allow you to ask those 3 questions, and users will just select them to answer. And this data will also show in the lead section over here, which we'll cover a little bit later on. So let's continue here. If you want to edit the survey template, let's say, we'll show you here, you just click here, edit template, and you'll see some code here. This is more for a little bit of the advanced users, but let's say you want to customize the template itself, you can do that by just clicking there. And if you messed up and you typed in a bunch of stuff or you saved it the wrong way, you can actually click restore default and it will go back to the way it originally came when you bought the plugin. For now, I'm going to leave this as the default and just close that out. The next thing is the opt-in code for your email list. So this is important because you want to build your email list. You want to have customers and subscribers coming into your email. This is what this is all about. So we actually support a lot of the providers that are out there, including Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact, you name it, it pretty much works. Just paste your opt-in code here, and automatically it will detect the fields. Let's show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so in this example, I'm inside of Aweber, and I'm going to copy this web form that I created, get the code here. What you want to do is, in Aweber, is go ahead and click I will install my form, and you're going to copy the raw HTML version. So all this stuff here, you're just going to highlight it, click copy, and then we're going to go back and paste it into our box here. That's all there is to it. And we automatically have the plugin detect what the fields are. So as you can see, I selected custom field name, and all the fields that I have from Aweber are going to appear here. So I'm going to put name, hit OK, and I'm going to add it. And that's going to map it to the plugin, so we know that that field is going to select the name and it's going to add it to Aweber. Next is email. I'm going to select email from Aweber, and that's all there is to it. Later on, if you want to really customize this, the forms, we'll cover in the custom field section how to do that. You can create your own forms, or even not use a specific opt-in code. You can just collect the data right into the database of your website. Okay, if you want to display a video on your contest screen, you can paste the code here. In this example, I'm not going to do that just for time's sake. We're just doing an overview here. And of course, you can autoplay the video as well. So as soon as they land on the contest, it will automatically play that video for you. The last box here, actually sorry, not the last box, but the viral sharing options. If you didn't already set it in the contest default settings, you can add it here. Just activate the Facebook comments, put the app ID, or if you have a specific app ID that you want to have just for this contest, you can use it there. And the Facebook comments question, this will be something that will entice users just to kind of engage and participate in your contest. It increases a lot of social awareness and social proof is what we like to call it. So basically, other contest participants come, they join the contest, and when they reach the final screen, they'll see that other people are already participating, they're commenting, and they'll also engage. So I always just put in something like, what would you do with your new iPad, since that's the contest. And then just let people go at it and put in some information on what they would do with their new iPad, you know, and make it fun, and that way people can actually participate. This is also the viral sharing defaults, so you can override your global settings from the settings page, or just leave it unchecked and we'll automatically pull in that stuff for you. You also want to make sure that you put in this here, which is a social message title. And what this does is this will allow you to share a certain message when people are clicking on Facebook and Google, Twitter, and sharing your contest. So an example would be, check out this awesome iPad contest. They're giving away a free iPad 3. Just enter to win. So what this will do is, when someone clicks who has entered the contest and they're sharing with their friends on Facebook and all that, it will automatically put these messages on their profiles. That way they can they don't even have to think about what they're going to write. It'll automatically put that for them, and of course they can change it. But this kind of helps you spread out the message that you want to spread. Make sure that your contests kind of are branded or whatever it is that you want to do. This last screen here is the SEO. So you can actually give a title to your contest. iPad 3 contest would be an example. You can add some key meta description tags. This is what shows in Google and Yahoo and Bing and all that for the description tag. So again, I'll just put iPad 3 contest giveaway. And then some keywords. Let's say you want to have iPad giveaway, free iPad, whatever it is you want to put in there for your keywords for the SEO that you're targeting as well. And of course, if you want to override these global settings for the no index, no follow, no archive, you can do that as well. If you didn't already put that in the settings, you can change them here. And you can also put in custom JavaScript code for the specific contests. So if you want to have tracking codes from Google Analytics or any kind of other tracking package, you can do that here. And that's all there is to it. I know that was a little bit longer training video, but it's a big contest page. That's all there is. Just when you're ready, just hit publish, and that's all there is to it. Your contest will be live and ready to go. So in the next video, we're going to show you some other things, and feel free to, if you need any help with this, go ahead and ask support, or go ahead and check out the forums and the documentation on it. Thanks, and see you in the next training.